In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete blank rows in Google Sheets. Whether you're tidying up a messy data set or ensuring your report looks just right, this is a handy skill to streamline your workflow. Get ready to learn how to clean up your spreadsheet in just a few simple steps. First things first, let's open up your Google Sheets document. With this software being a go-to choice for many due to its flexibility and accessibility, you might already have it ready. Once you're in your spreadsheet, it's time to identify the blank rows cluttering your data. These blank rows might be sprinkled throughout, leading to possible misunderstandings when analyzing your information. Now, the next step is selecting these blank rows. You'll want to click on the row numbers along the side. This highlights the entire row, making it easy to perform functions on multiple rows simultaneously. But what if your blank rows aren't consecutive? No worries. For non-adjacent rows, simply hold down the Control key on your keyboard if you're using a PC. If you're on a Mac, you'll want to use the Command key while you click each necessary row number. This way, you can select all the rows you need without any hassle. Once your rows are selected, right-click on any one of those row numbers. This action will bring up a context menu, a list of options available to perform. From this menu, choose Delete Selected Rows. As soon as you click that option, puff, those empty rows vanish, leaving your spreadsheet one step closer to pristine condition. But wait, there's an alternative method if you prefer to filter data. Start off by clicking on Data in the top menu bar. Then, select Create a Filter. This nifty feature allows you to quickly zero in on specific values, or, in our case, blank rows. Each column in your sheet will now have a small filter icon in its header. Click on the one that oversees your data. It's time to refine our view. Once in the filter menu, click Clear to deselect all choices. Then carefully select only blanks. What this does is show solely the empty rows, helping you target them without any distractions. Hit OK, and voila! Your sheet now displays just the blanks. From here, you can go ahead and select all visible blank rows. A quick right-click will open the trusty context menu again, where you'll choose Delete Selected Rows. This cleanup is almost complete. As a final step, remove the filter by clicking the filter icon in the toolbar once more. This returns your sheet to its full, newly polished state, minus those pesky blank rows. And there you have it. An easy and effective way to manage and delete blank rows in Google Sheets. With these tips, your data can stay uncluttered and easy to work with. Happy spreadsheeting!